Tesla fan, let's make sure that you've got the perfect view while driving, guys. Today I'll walk you through how to actually adjust your Tesla's rear view mirror for optimal visibility, guys, and comfort. So first things first, guys, you want to start by sitting in the driver's seat and you want to just look at the mirror, okay? Look at the mirror and you'll notice a small control button on the bottom edge of the rear view mirror or on the touchscreen, depending on your Tesla's model. And if applicable, guys, you want to adjust the mirror manually. So if your model has manual controls, guys, you can just simply push or pull the mirror, basically to adjust the angle to your preference. The goal is basically to center the rear view window view while keeping your surroundings visible. And if you have those options on your steering wheel, like here, you can just scroll up and down, left to right, to tilt your mirror as well. You can adjust it using this, and it's literally that easy and simple. And if you want, you can also use it from your touchscreen. So newer Tesla models basically have digital adjustments. You just want to go to controls on the touchscreen, tap on mirror, and use the touchscreen sliders to actually adjust their rear view mirror's angle, both vertically and horizontally, guys. Okay. And also, guys, you can also set auto dimming if you want. If you want to make your night driving more comfortable, you can actually enable more dimming for your rear view mirror. So on this touchscreen, just want to navigate to settings and then display, and then you just want to toggle on auto dim option on. This will automatically adjust the mirror's brightness to reduce glare from the headlights behind you, guys. And once you've actually made the adjustments, guys, your Tesla would remember your settings, and these settings will be saved to your driver profile, so you don't need to actually adjust them every time. And that's it, guys. You are now ready. You're all set for a clear and comfortable ride. So go ahead, guys, hit that link in the description, guys, to upgrade your ride even further. See you guys